Hello nieces and nephews, this is your Uncle Bill Dube. Today we're going over a Chrome laptop from Samsung. Stay tuned, I got it for $87 on Black Friday from Walmart. Woohoo! It's going to be fun. Not only that, I keep forgetting, but I'm recording on it right now.
Currently it's selling for $199. I think that after Christmas the prices will drop again, as they usually do. Let's get to it. Samsung Chromebook 4 11.6 Intel Celeron N4020 32 gigabytes SSD Chrome OS. Black Friday price was $87. Be careful because there's a tab underneath that you're going to want to be pulling on to open it up. And the flap comes down like this and we open it up. This is the USB-C. It's a side entry. Nice USB-C cord. Next we get to the Chromebook. Nice styrofoam. And I opened it upside down. Yeah, opened it upside down. See? This is the way it should have been opened, like that. Anyways, Uncle Bill doesn't always do things right. Here is the instructions. I thought it's kind of cute that it's the same size as the CD envelopes they used to use. Quick start and warranty information. The quick start guide was very intuitive. Totally charged this up before trying to turn it on. Here's a nice base here. Sorry about that. 2 speakers, very clear speakers, and a nice finish on the front. When you open it up, it should turn on. It did. I should have another camera here. So I will get one after I'm done logging in. When you turn it on the first time, it's going to ask you to log on to your network, and I found that it went very fast. We've gone through 2-step, 3-step, 4-step, 5-step, all sorts of verification today, and let's see if we can get into this thing. All right, available, back to Google Drive, restore, easily restore switch anytime your backups are, no, I don't want backups, period. Okay, more. Google Assistant works here. Okay, fine, QA, I agree. I guess I've agreed to all sorts of stuff there. Connect to your phone, no thanks. You're all set. Get started. Wow, this took forever. Manage what you sync. That's pretty much it. Themes, wallpaper. I don't want to sync wallpaper. Apps, I don't know if I want to sync apps either. Well, why not sync apps? This is pretty snappy. Half of this is Google and half of this is on startup. What do we want on startup? Chrome OS settings. I'm not even on. Woo. Let's go out a little bit. Now you can see my whole setup here, and maybe we will switch over. No, this is a good site. I like that I can plug in a USB drive. Unfortunately, I couldn't use that for starting up. There's a USB-C connector over here. It also comes with a USB power supply. Nice big hefty thing. Power management. Let's see what we got under power management. Sleep while charging, sleep while on battery. Wow, 91%. We got 6 hours and 30 minutes left. That's a pretty generous charge. Lots of time. You can see how the windows come up fast. There's TubeBuddy. Create an account. I already have an account. Well, we'll see what happens here. Probably don't have my passwords loaded in, so I might not. Oh, there we go. Are we logged in? Yes, I am logged in. And yes, it looks like TubeBuddy might come up. There we go.
This is your Uncle Bill. We're having fun.
Yes, we are.
Bill from 80's channel.
Let's close that one out.
Join the Uncle Bill.
This looks much more vibrant when you get into it, which is nice. That's pretty fast, pretty responsive. Get out of this thing. I can tell that using this trackpad, let's get back, this trackpad right here is going to be a little bit of a pain after a while. I'm used to using a mouse, and I don't want to wear out this thing if it has any mechanical issues, which I doubt it will.
We're shooting at 16:9.9 megapixels. It sounded a little echoey, so I have taken a towel and I put it over my keyboard so that there might be a little less reflected sound. We'll see how it sounds now. I am using nothing but the Google Chromebook. 5 cool things. I want to go over them real quick. One is remove your safety, your 2-step verification on Google before you do this. I think it'll save you some time and effort while trying to load into Chrome. You'll see what I'm talking about when you get to it. Also, be prepared. If you have to change your password to get in, which I had to do, I've had to do that now twice now with new devices for some reason. Even though you're typing the right password, and I know I typed in the right password, I still had to change it. Okay, so that's that. Long enough for that. This is a sturdy machine. Well made. Made in Vietnam. Also, I forgot to say it the last time. There's on the very bottom of the machine is your serial number, and it's so small. I would recommend writing it down because it looks like it's put on there in paint. You might also want to take your Wi-Fi password. Mine's about this long, and I load it on a thumb drive, and I hand a thumb drive off to people. But I couldn't use the thumb drive because you don't have any access to anything other than Wi-Fi while you're trying to set this thing up. Phone access. Don't lose your phone. Backups. At 15 gigabytes, you're going to have to start paying Google for additional space. The more videos you do, the more space it takes. Uncle Bill's running at about 10 to 11 gigabytes up on Google right now with the storage that I'm using. You might not want to back off all of your photos to Google. Keep track of your photos. Either that, or if you're rich, go buy more space.
Oh, I forgot! Yes, I'd buy this computer again in a heartbeat.